Hi, I'm Sherita Liebenberg. I am a first-year biomedicine student at Eduvos Pretoria campus. I chose biomedicine because I love working in the lab. I'm so passionate about it. First year has been great. The practicals, the social. I'm usually one of those people that just comes up to people in class and we start talking and chatting. A lot of group work helps me make friends. You need to be passionate about what you want to study, what you want to do, and then just go full force into applying wherever best fits you. My Eduvos journey so far has been amazing. The people here are amazing. They help you a lot when you're struggling, and the support systems here at Eduvos great for helping students not be so overwhelmed in your studies, but take it step by step. After getting this degree, we'd love to go into honors. I'm Sherita Liebenberg and I'm a proud Vossie.